In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Claude model downgrade happening without warning. When using Claude for writing, coding, or analysis, you may sometimes notice that the model suddenly feels less capable than expected. Responses may become simpler, reasoning may feel weaker, or outputs may look like they're coming from a lower-tier model. This usually happens without any clear notification, which makes it confusing because everything appears normal in the interface, but the quality has changed. In most cases, this is not a bug. It is usually caused by automatic model routing, usage limits, or session-based constraints that adjust performance dynamically depending on system load and context size. The good news is that there are several ways to identify and fix this behavior so you can restore consistent model performance. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of practical methods to prevent unexpected model downgrade and maintain stable output quality. So let's get started. The first method is to check your current model selection. In some cases, the system may automatically switch you to a lighter or faster model when usage limits are reached or when the context becomes too large. Go to your model selector and confirm that you are still using the intended Claude model. If you notice a different model is active, manually switch it back to your preferred version. This alone often resolves sudden quality drops. Next, check your session size and context usage. When conversations become very long, the system may reduce performance efficiency to maintain stability. If your session is extremely large, start a new conversation and provide a concise project summary instead of continuing the full history. This helps restore full model capability and avoids performance degradation caused by overloaded context. Another effective method is to reduce prompt complexity. Very large inputs, repeated instructions, or overly long context blocks can sometimes trigger simplified processing behavior. Instead, keep prompts focused and only include information that is directly relevant to the task. In most situations, these simple adjustments will restore normal model behavior. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, verify that you are still using the correct Claude model in your settings. Second, reduce session size by starting a new conversation when context becomes too large. And third, simplify your prompts to avoid unnecessary complexity that can affect response quality. Remember that perceived model downgrade is often related to context overload or automatic system optimization, rather than a permanent change in capability. Keeping sessions clean and structured helps ensure that Claude performs consistently at its intended level. It's also a good practice to periodically restart long sessions and summarize key information to maintain performance stability. Understanding how context and routing affect model behavior can help you avoid confusion and keep your workflow predictable. And that's how to fix Claude model downgrade happening without warning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.